Hello guys, welcome to the channel. For today's video, we're going to hotel. We're at Henann Resort. That's their lobby area. Since we came on Sunday, and that's a busy day. Wow! Beautiful chandelier. Since our room is ready, we're going there now. I'm so excited! Just wanted to say hello. Okay, we're on the 4th floor now. We're still looking for our room. But there you are. Gotcha. So this is their deluxe room looks like. And the comfort room on the side. It's just a simple CR with a big mirror on it. The room welcomes you with 2 bottles of water with a cozy bed. Daddy Din and Papa are trying to open the balcony. Wow, beautiful view. Perfect for sunrise and sunset. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.